Hey there, welcome to another Miss Microlocs video. Today we're diving deep into the world of Microloc installations. Are you interested in knowing what it's like to have your Microlocs installed? Well, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a journey through a day in the life of a client on installation day. Ready? Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the importance of punctuality. Locticians, your clients are dedicating much of their time to this process. Imagine sitting in a chair for 8 to 10 hours straight for 2 to 3 days. That's a long time, right? Clients, imagine if your loctician shows up late to your appointment. It could immediately sour the initial introduction, right? Being on time shows respect for your client's time and sets a professional tone for the entire experience. Let's break down what those 2 to 3 days look like for a client. Day one, excitement, nervousness, and the start of an extended sit. By hour four, the initial excitement might wear off. Breaks are few and far between. The client might start feeling uncomfortable, maybe even a bit restless. Day two, the reality of another long day sets in. The client's back might be sore and their patience tested. Day three, if needed, they're in the home stretch, but fatigue is real. Locticians, understanding this experience is crucial. It helps you empathize with your clients and provide the best possible service. Remember, comfort is key. Consider offering cushions or scheduling short stretch breaks. These small gestures can make a big difference in your client's experience. Now, let's talk about the financial aspect. Microlock installations are costly. Clients invest a significant amount of money in this process. They're not just paying for the locks themselves, they're paying for your expertise, your time, and your professionalism. As a loctician, you must ensure that your clients get their money's worth. What does that look like in practice? It starts with your demeanor. Be friendly, be patient, be professional. Engage with your clients and make them feel comfortable. Share your knowledge. Explain what you're doing and why. This isn't just a hairstyle, it's a lifestyle. Speaking of education, let's talk about aftercare. Your job isn't done when the last microlock is installed. A crucial part of your role is providing detailed instructions on how to care for these new microlocks. Walk your client through the do's and don'ts. Explain how to wash, how to moisturize, and how to protect their locks while sleeping. Consider providing a written guide they can take home. This attention to detail shows you care about their long term satisfaction and not just the immediate result. Remember, the Microloc installation process is more than just a service, it's an experience. Your clients trust you with their hair, time, and money. They deserve nothing less than your best. Let's recap what makes an excellent Microloc installation experience. Number one, punctuality. Respect your client's time. Number two, empathy. Understand the physical and mental toll of long installation sessions. Number three, professionalism. From your demeanor to your workspace, every detail matters. Number four, education. Share your knowledge both during the process and for aftercare. And number five, value. Ensure your clients feel their investment was worthwhile. And there you have it, a glimpse into a day in the life of a Microloc installation client. To all the locticians out there, I hope this insight helps you elevate your service. And to all the potential Microloc clients, this prepares you for what to expect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe for more insider tips and tricks in the world of hair care. Have you had a Microloc installation experience? Share your story in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.